Hello and welcome to the Air Raid Siren Challenge. Today we're driving down to San Pedro, California. There's several Air Raid Sirens down there. We're gonna see if we can document them for you. But first, we're eating a little breakfast. If you like sausage and muffins, like this video. Look at the hash browns. If you like hash browns, like this video. Somewhere around here. Somewhere around here.
The siren?
Yeah, do you see it? Oh, look at those things. Alright, so we got off and we cannot find the siren. We cannot find it. So we're gonna walk this way a little bit and see if we can see it. Look at, there's a cool little bridge. And that's the Port of Los Angeles. Check it out.
Oh, there's no trains yet.
Look at this bridge. This is so cool. See that big old boat? With all the shipping containers?
Whoa, where?
It's in the back. Here, let's walk this way. I don't see any sirens, do you?
No, I think it's because we're kind of far.
They're supposed to be here somewhere. I think they probably took it out when they made this park. Yeah, look at, it's got barbecue. You can make some barbecue here too. I think there was a siren here at some point, but it looks like they took it out and put a nice park. See this park? And then they put a nice bridge and a taco spot. This taco spot looks promising, but we gotta save our hunger because we're gonna eat lunch at the fish market. The siren is supposed to be down here, but that siren is gone. That siren is gone.
No, it's not gone. I see an orange post. Back on
Where?
track. Right over there.
You see an orange post?
Yeah.
Is that it?
I think so.
You think so?
Yeah, that's it. Oh.
Maybe they didn't take it out. Maybe we found it. Let's cross the street and find out. There's an orange post. Maybe that's it. I don't know. You see that orange post?
Oh yeah, wait, there's actually a little climb thing. That
Elijah found it, by the way, not me. Let's check out that orange post. See if that's it. Give me a hand. We're crossing. Do you think that's it?
from all these siren videos, all the posts were orange.
Okay, let's see if that's it. I don't know.
Oh, wait, is it?
What is it? Uh-oh. It's looking good. And it looks promising.
Let's go!
You found it! Elijah found it! There it is, it's still there. You found it. You found it. I was ready to give up and go home. Whoa. Man. Elijah, you found it.
Yeah, we're not toast.
Elijah, you found it. You found it.
I found the siren and the trains coming.
There it is, baby. Let me take a picture of you. That's a beautiful wire spool. That's a beautiful wire spool.
I found the train. There's a railroad crossing over there.
Okay. I can't believe Elijah found that. I was ready to give up, but you did not give up. Good job. Elijah did not give up, and he found that. Oh man, I want to talk to him so bad. We're going to the next siren, baby. We're going to the next siren. Check out this view. Look at, there's snow in the mountains back there. Okay, that was a cool view. Let's continue. We're so close. We're so close, aren't we?
Yeah, but the Korean friendship bell's over here.
Yes, there's a Korean friendship bell. There it is. That one is gone. All right, so this one we can confirm that in fact it is gone. We're gonna get a closer look. Okay, ready? We're gonna run. 1, 2, 3, go! This one's gone. We're gonna check it out. Oh man, there it is. Let's take a closer look. It's getting eaten by bugs. Whoa. Oh, there's a bee's nest up there. Don't want to get stung by bees. Let's run. Hey, we saw a pretty cool thing called the friendship bell. We're going to show you. Check it out. I had never heard of this friendship bell before. It's so cool. Look at it. Look at me. Hey. Seems like you're gonna pull it back. Boom. Boom.
He's so loud.
Boom.
Wait, what? They come ring it sometimes.
Yeah, it's locked. But look at it. We're at the top of this hill. This thing is sweet.
They have one of these in Japan too.
Here. I don't know why, but I am so hungry. Take a drink, see if you like it.
This is better than apple juice.
Better than apple juice, yeah, 'cause it's full of sugar. Just waited in line for a whole hour. This better be good. What'd you get? Lemons. Look at mine.
Apple lemons.
I'm not gonna be able to finish that. We're gonna mountain shrimp. Potatoes. Sausage. Garlic bread. Oh, I'm trying to eat this whole thing. That was good. It was a ton of food. On to the next siren. All right, come here. Did you see it?
Yeah.
All right, let's check it out. Ready, set, here we go. Do you like that one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And then they can take them down and
There's the back side. Let's get a side view. Here we go. What'd you think about that siren?
It was good.
Is that your favorite one so far?
Yeah.
Yeah?
moving.
Oh, it is moving. It's moving with the wind. It's moving with the wind. That's so crazy. Let's go. We got one more to go. We got one more to find. All right. Here we go. We found the last siren of the day. What do you think?
The last siren's in the middle of a school.
The last siren's in the middle of a school. It's a wire spool. Our friend Francine, they used to test those when she was a little girl. Yeah, I don't think that one definitely does not work. You think it works?
There's a wire, so.
Boom. Look at that.
And the wire is connected.
Look at that. It's got some type of wire, but I don't think it works.
That's some.
This is the view right underneath. It's got a wire that goes across the street to who knows where. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. That's a legit wire spool. It's a legit wire spool, right?
Yeah.
Did you have fun today?
Yeah, but I think we're gonna go to a museum.
You want to see if that museum's open?
Yeah, we're gonna go there for like a few minutes. That's probably gonna be closed.
Let's go Google it and see if it's still open. Let's say goodbye, wire spool. Goodbye, wire spool.
Bye.
Bye. Say goodbye to the wire spool.
Bye, wire spool. Don't worry, at the museum there's a thunderbolt.
Bye, wire spool. There's a cannon right there, and there's a bunker. There's a bunker in the distance.
But how are people in there?
It's closed. And there's barbed wire. Yeah, well, we're not gonna walk in there.
Why?
Because it's closed. All right, one day we'll go to this Fort MacArthur Museum, and you'll get to see it. One day, right?
Yeah.
We'll see you guys next time. Thank you for tuning in.